How to log into Keka employee account. What is up everyone? In this tutorial, I'll show you guys how you can easily do that. But before we get started, make sure to hit the like button below and subscribe to our channel. So let's get right into it. First thing you have to do is open up your web browser and simply search for Keka employee, log in, hit enter, and you'll find the very first link right here. Just go ahead and open up the first link you see, employee login Keka. And now you'll be directed right here to the login page. But if you don't see this, you can just continue on with the official site. And then from here, you can just click on the login option. It's going to take you to the same page. So all you have to do here is enter your username or email that's connected to your Keka account. Then all you have to do is click on continue. And once you have done that, just go ahead and enter your password. If you have your phone number, Microsoft account, or your Google account connected, you could continue with that as well, or continue with your username. So enter your company's domain name here, enter your username, password, and complete this CAPTCHA, and click on login. That's basically it, guys. If you found this tutorial helpful, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel. I'll catch you on the next one.